Welcome to Magical Jungle, and today I am going to color this nice parrot over here. I don't know much about parrots, so I did a little bit of research, and in the world of parrots and also parakeets, it seems that every color combination is possible. But I'd like to try that beautiful red parrot with a red head, green and blue wings and red tail. And well, let's see what we can do. I will start with Prismacolor pencils, and I will start with this one, Permanent Red. And there used to be a Light Fast series that is no longer available, I believe. There are many colorists who have so much imagination and manage to make beautiful colors, colored pages. But I always tend to do what nature already did, so I will always choose natural colors. I once tried to color purple leaves and blue grass, but I just don't know, I just can't handle it. This is Scarlet Lake. Prismacolor premieres are doing well on this type of paper. This is just a basic layer of color. And now I am using this one, Prussian green. Now I took some time to research the colors of this parrot, but I do not have a reference photo available, so I do this on my memory, and I hope this is going to work out. I know the head is red, the beak is black, the top of the wings is green, and then there are blue wings. At least that was the parrot that I found and liked. There are endless other combinations possible. I don't know about its belly, but why not make it yellow? Seems right. So I'm searching for a new color. I'm going for this one, cobalt turquoise. Cobalt turquoise. There seems to be, many of you mentioned that there is sometimes a problem with the audio of my videos. And I did a lot of searching, and I think I found the problem. There are two problems, I think. One is that the volume of the video is sometimes a bit low, but I can alter that. That is no problem. And the other thing is that I think that my pronunciation is sometimes a bit lazy, and that makes it sometimes difficult to hear the words that I'm saying. So I need to take care of that and check my speech. More consonants, that is how you say consonants, something like that. The strange thing is that when I am singing, I'm so trained in, I didn't show you the color that I used, this one, phthalo, yellow, green, hue. Okay, so when I am singing, I am trained to sing with clear pronunciation, but when I am speaking, it seems that I could improve that. This is still, Prismacolor Blue Slate. Okay, let's try something else. This is Magenta. It is some sort of red, but it is pinkish red. Let's see what this does. Now I really would like to give this parrot the impression of that there are feathers, but on this tiny scale that is difficult, I believe. I'm sure there are artists who can do that, but and this is pale vermilion. Now, as you can see, layering with Prismacolor pencils really is possible. I've been doing a lot of garden work lately. A lot of clipping and trimming, and this morning I cleaned the shed in our backyard. Now I'm going to use a brownish Terra Rose. I love gardening. There's a downside. First of all, when I start clipping and trimming, I sometimes start to sneeze because I have some hay fever sometimes. It's not very bad, but and the other thing is that my hands become dirty and it takes days to get rid of it. Just washing my hand doesn't help always. This is lime peel. They sell special soaps for gardeners, so maybe I should try that sometimes. Now, I notice that after a couple of layers of Prismacolor, it becomes harder to get the color on the paper. So, this is the last one that I will use, Ultramarine, and then I will switch to another brand and see if it is, well, I can add more colors, but then I have to press harder, and that is not what I'm looking for at this stage. So I will now switch to the Polychromos, grass green. And let's try a middle cadmium red as a dark red. I think this red needs some more. I gave it a sharp point because I noticed that it seems that I can put a lot of detail in and maybe give the impression that there are feathers. Well, this isn't finished yet, that is clear, but I will give it some color on the beak, and then I think I need some extra time to finish this this animal. Well, these are the first layers of this nice parrot, and the next time I will add shadows to make it more 3D-dimensional, and I may also add colors you might not think of, but I will do that to blend this parrot more into the surrounding area. I have an idea about how this, where this page needs to go, but well, let's see what if that is going to happen. You never know. Until now, most drawings that I started surprised me and took me in another direction, so let's see what this is going to do. I see you next time. Bye bye!